Hello and welcome. My name is Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind the Country Chic Cottage. Now, this might look like a regular roll of DTF transfer and you're like, what is special about your sweatshirt, Angie? These DTF transfers glow in the dark, and trust me when I say you're going to want them for all of your Halloween crafting. Now, they look like regular DTF transfers when you get them. And you're going to get them from Ninja Transfers, and you're going to order the glow-in-the-dark version. Now, this video is sponsored by Ninja Transfers, however, all projects and opinions are my own. Then, when you get them, you can use this video to learn how to order, as well as press them, and then take them and watch them glow in the dark. So I'm going to make several shirts, as well as several tote bags in this video, because I want you to watch this video all the way through to the end and see all of the results. Because choosing the design for this product, I feel like is very, very important. So choosing the right design. I had to do some trial and error with this. Like my first order, I chose the wrong design. So I am going to walk through these steps, show you tons of results so that you can order this product and get it right the first time. The first thing you'll need to do is to order your glow-in-the-dark DTF transfers. So you'll head to the Ninja Transfers website and click Specialty DTF and then Glow in the Dark. Then you can either upload your own gang sheet or use their gang sheet builder to build a gang sheet. All a gang sheet is a collection of files that you want to print. So you upload each of your files and resize them. I will link to all the files that I'm using in the description below this video. Once you have your gang sheet, you will order it from Ninja Transfers and it will be delivered. When it comes in, you're gonna have a large roll of transfers. You're gonna need to cut those apart into your individual transfers ready to press on your surface. I did want to talk a bit about the design that you use for this. I will show you at the end of this a wide variety of designs, wide variety of colors, but I do feel like you want some white in your design to get the maximum glow. So be sure to check out the results at the end of this before you upload your designs so that you don't, like I did, mess up at first and order something that really won't glow in the dark. So now we have our DTF transfer. You can put this on just about any fabric. So cotton, polyester, cotton poly blends, whatever you would like. I'm going to make some shirts as well as some Halloween tote bags. So it'll work on any material and any color. I'm going to be using black in this video just to show you that it will stand off of the black, but I could choose other colors as well. Now, it does come with instructions. However, because this is a specialty DTF, it is cold peel. So after we press it, we are going to let it cool down completely before peeling this off. So let's go ahead and head to the heat press and look at pressing one of these. With Ninja Transfers, there's no need to pre-press or pre-iron. You can pre-press if you prefer, but it is not needed. Go ahead and position your design. You can use heat-resistant tape to hold your transfer in place if you are struggling with it moving. Then you're going to press at 310 degrees Fahrenheit, medium to high pressure for approximately 12 seconds. You may want to test one piece first, as you may need a bit higher temperature or even a little longer on the time. I'm covering my design with butcher paper just to protect the fabric itself. Once you get that first press done, again, we're going to remove this from the heat press completely because this is a cold peel product. So I went on to press several more shirts, as well as some tote bags actually. Then once I was done pressing those, I could go back and do my cold peel on the ones that I pressed first. We're going to take it over and peel it after it's completely cooled down. So just go ahead and peel that carrier sheet away. If your product is not sticking, you can take this back to the heat press and repress. After that film is peeled away, you do want to do a second press. So you are going to press it again at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 seconds. This will improve the durability and the softness and reduce that shine that often comes with DTF. Again, I am covering with butcher paper here when I'm doing that second press. Once that second press is complete, you can remove it from the heat press and your glow-in-the-dark DTF is complete. So let's take a look and see it glow. I have a few different results for you. This is the first one. First things first, these ghosts look really white even though they're on this black shirt. Looks really, really great. Then when you turn off the lights, it will glow. It's a really bright glow in person, and I am in love with the results. Now this design had quite a bit of white in it. You may have noticed that the books didn't glow as much as the white ghosts, but that is very evident in some of the other projects that I did. So on this shirt, it looks really great in the light. Turn the lights off, and yes, it does glow, but you can tell that the words at the top and the bottom definitely don't glow as much as that white center. So these might have looked better if I had changed this black outline to a white outline. So think about colors that you can change when you upload your files. Can you change a black to a white and make more area that will glow with your design? Next up is this shirt, and when I turn the lights off, again, it glows, but these areas don't glow as much. Again, I could have changed this black outline to white and possibly made this a better looking design. So again, when you're uploading these glow-in-the-dark DTF prints, be sure to think about your design and which parts will glow. Things like the inside of this jack-o'-lantern face even. If I had changed these black pieces to white, it would probably look better when it glows. Now you have to consider how it's going to look in the light as well. So you might not want to change all the black to white, but you might want to consider some of it. Then I did a few tote bags as well. This one has a variety of colors in the writing. And so when it glows, the letters glow a varying amount. So some don't glow as much as others. I really liked the look of this one when it glowed, even though all the letters don't really pop off. I like the look of them glowing various amounts and then the white being very bright. Next tote bag, again, this white is going to really glow, and then that circle in the middle doesn't glow as much. Now this is an example of lettering. The lettering's white with a black outline, and it really stands out when the lights are out. So here's my next tote bag. Now this possibly is my favorite design because when the lights are out, it looks amazing when it glows. So you can see this design has a lot of white, and even where the black is, there's a white outline. There's lots of white in the design itself, which makes it really perfect for this application. And final shirt, I just couldn't resist this one. And when it glows, it looks really good as well. Again, lots of white in the design, which makes it really pop off when the lights are off. Okay, so I love the Book Ghost shirt. Obviously, I'm wearing it. But it has a lot of white in it. So if you do have a design that has a lot of color in it, lighter colors like in this design, I feel like did a really good job. Or designs that had a ton of white in them, but maybe had some colors or some black, but they were outlined in white. So use the tips and tricks for finding the right design or altering your design before you upload it to Ninja Transfers. So take it into a program and change some of the black to white to make the design fit this product better. And I think you will love the results a little bit more because the more it glows, to me, the better it looks. You can make that decision, of course, for yourself. With the results in this video, you saw the designs I used as well as the results I got, and you can make a decision. Do you like your designs the way they are? Go ahead and upload them. Do you want to alter them, pull them into a program, and maybe alter them a little bit before you order that glow-in-the-dark DTF print? Now, I really think you're going to like this product, especially for Halloween. I gave the example of making shirts. I made like a whole family of shirts. And then I also made some like Halloween tote bags because I always think those are fun if they glow in the dark for trick-or-treating. So a few different ideas within this video. Decide which is right for you and order your own DTF prints that glow in the dark. Now, remember, the more you order, the more you bundle on that gang sheet, the better off you're probably going to be price-wise as far as like price per print. So be sure to get all of your sizes for your family of shirts, tote bags for all the kids and maybe the neighbors. Put them on one big gang sheet and order it all at once. Definitely going to come out better price-wise on like the price per print. So take my advice, order you some glow-in-the-dark DTF prints. I know you're going to love them. Now, if you have any questions about anything we've covered, drop down in the comment section, ask away. If you like this video and it helped you, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, head on over to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. I have videos just like this one every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.